If you want to change icon style on Redmi Note 14 Pro, you have to start by opening settings and then you will have to navigate straight into themes application. Now you will have to go into themes and I can recommend you to input that phrase free so you will don't have to pay for them. Click on search and right now just pick up the theme with the icons that you want to use. So let's get, for example, maybe this one. Let's take a look how the icons looks. Okay, here we get the black color of the icons. It fits my preferences, so you'll have to click download. And now just wait. Now select customize, and all you have to do is to unselect lock screen, home screen, and only change icons. Then click apply, and after a few moments take a look, your icons theme has changed, but the default theme is still right here. If you find it useful, please leave a like.